everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our newest listing at 2904 Majestic Ridge, Unit A. This is a great little townhome. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1139 square feet, has a nice little backyard, carpet in the bedrooms, living room area. There is a fireplace, nice little kitchen area. It does have a 2-car garage as well. Come on in, let's take a look around. Alright guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 2904 Majestic Ridge, number A. Again, a great little townhome. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1139 square feet with a 2-car garage. Nice sized little yard here. It's all about location, location, location. You're right off of Telshor, close to everything. Be a great investment property or perfect for a couple NMSU students. If you got kids going to New Mexico State University, give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.